And there was the biggest laughter in the world. Hey guys, I'm the Pop here with Darko Fire, Daughterwizard, EpicRhino, and wait. And there is the one and only Juicebox. Right there.
That's me!
Oh, she's like that.
I'm kidding, we're all famous here. We are all famous. Look, look, look. Unicorn power.
Unicorn!
Unicorn power.
Okay, we're gonna here comes
I think you said don't touch me.
Hey. Subscribe to my friend's channel at the description below, and we will. I'm sorry, EpicRhino, this is for you because I know this is gonna keep going on. Subscribe to my friend EpicRhino's channel because it's gonna keep going. And bloop. Are y'all ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I am ready. I am ready. I'm ready.
Just your mic while doing the intro.
Oh, whoosh! It is one of the maps. What? You sound like a robot. Oh God!
She didn't sound like a robot, George.
She did for me. Oh God!
Sounds like a broken record.
My
This guy
God!
loves
Who's?
Nope.
the fat guy.
The fat.
No.
The fat guy. Oh God!
Really?
What the heck?
I'm sorry.
You know, I'm not even gonna ask.
I'm don't even try it, Evan.
Yeah, I'm good. Here we go, people.
Well, oh snap.
What are we saying? You definitely okay.
Yeah, let's just start with something simple and sweet to the point. Short, simple, sweet to the point.
God bless you. Watch out, Darkus, the whipping the
You died. Good job.
Oh!
It's George.
Nope.
What? What did I do?
I feel like that Darkus guy doesn't like me.
Cool.
We're all very loud.
Darkest Fires. Isn't that one of Havoc's friends?
Right down.
No.
Not what friends do you have?
Oh. Oh, no,
He was
anymore.
my friend before he was, having his friend.
So why wouldn't he like you?
Because he just used, like, muted his mic while we were all talking.
Oh.
He unplugged it.
I'm gonna mute my mic because I'm about to jam out to this song really loud. And, yeah.
Oh!
Oh,
Well,
wow, you still had it.
that was a horrible way to die. I was aiming right at the guy too. I could shoot him.
I got you.
Oh, Danielle got my back.
Sniper's down.
Just
Move
blew
up.
that guy in the face.
Danielle with the magnificent
Magnificent all day.
day.
Oh, on the roll. 3 shots. Oh my God.
On the road. Oh, God.
Did I scare you when I shot at the bacon?
Maybe.
You were like, oh!
Connection interruption.
My connection's not being interrupted.
Mine is a little.
Yeah, that's your connection.
Oh.
But you have awful connection, dude. You always have.
Don't judge me.
I'm confused. How do you use the C4? I don't know how to set them off.
Sorry.
Oh.
There's a guy upstairs. I can't get him.
I killed him. Let's go pick that.
Oh, yeah.
Just kidding. I'm not cool.
That won't
Me and cool in the same sentence, but they don't go together.
Everybody after this video, please note that
Wow, that's just mean.
Oh, you were actually, like, ending it, like, we haven't even gone through one game yet. Jeez.
Wow.
Wow, you're terrible.
You know what? SOS signal. We need help.
I'm getting tired of these people in the map.
Why?
Because all they're doing is camping and stuff.
Hey, you're into the wall.
I think they're behind us now because like we're all in their like side and shit.
Oh, they're
So
still here.
Oh, okay, never mind then. I'm coming over. No, they're over here now.
They're still here.
And there's Darkus. And I just got shot in the face. These guys use a freaking target finder. Noob.
Yee! I was in their spawn and they wrecked me.
Get out of here with that bullshit.
So, I knew he was gonna do that. Oh, wait, what am I? I'm 13.
Sticky out!
I gotta have the worst of it. Die.
I can't even get inside the freaking. Oh wow.
Got to troll it.
Man.
You got that triple.
What was that? How much shot was that? That's a shot. Watch out, Tony Q. So you can't hear me.
See your ass up there.
Careful that I died as soon as I walked in. It's me. Thanks for not being very manly, Jordan. Shot on me.
Wow. I'm sorry.
Wait,
I'm sorry.
not dying manly. I know a lot of manly guys.
After someone destroyed my dignity, I can't help anybody anymore.
You never had anything for
I know. Don't rub it in. Don't rub it in.
Ooh.
I can't catch a break today, can I?
Shut up!
Oh my goodness, that scared me so bad. That's kicking me. No, you did better than me.
Look at this. Done by this guy right here.
Oh, evidence was told you supposed to make say he got 17 kills. I thought if y'all would watch the he got a kill.
Yes.
That wasn't even my gun. My gun, I would have picked her for it.
Oh god. Well, I hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Does anyone want to say anything? Cause
You're in the video?
yes, I only end it after every match. So
World
yep.
Peace and Unicorn Bubbles.
Unicorn bubbles, really.
Unicorn bubble.
Unicorn bubbles. Yes, everybody. Hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and unicorn bubbles. We will see you guys later.